on, guys? It's Levi here with Sioux Automotive. Today it's going to be my first install video. It's going to be one of many. We're going to be installing my door cards that I recently got from Techno Toy Tuning on the 86 Mazda RX-7 FC3S that you saw in the unboxing video we had. This right here is the original passenger side door panel. As you can see, it's very aged. It's definitely reminiscent of the time. So these are the tools you're going to need to go ahead and replace it. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's going to be a screw here for the little plastic piece. I had already taken that off. There's going to be a screw also right here that's meant for this handle. You're going to have a screw right here, a screw here, here, and have a screw here, here, another one here, and that's going to be it. Then you can take a plastic wedge or just grab it, because I mean it doesn't really matter, you're throwing it away anyways. You pop them all off. Once you pop all that off, take it off just like this. You take this, throw it away. But I'm going to go ahead and keep on doing it just in case somebody may want it. I know I don't. And we're going to be installing this. The Techno Toy Tuning aluminum door cards, powder coated into a black wrinkle. So with all the hardware, I decided to go with the felt door straps, or not felt, the fabric door straps. What we're going to do is just lay it over here. It is bent. And you just slide it into place. There you go. You just adjust it. I had already done the driver's side already, so I know about exactly where it goes. I know how I want it. Make sure it's nice and flush. You're then going to take your drill with a Phillips head bit, and along with all the stuff for it, they give you self-tapping screws. What I like to do, I like to take this self-tapping screw just by itself without the little collar to make it look nice, and that's what I like to start off my stuff with. Like I said, you want to make sure these do flex, so you do want to make sure that everything's, you know, nice and straight. Last thing you want to do is not put it on straight, and then it just looks all tacky. So go ahead and start. There we go. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Now, unfortunately, on my particular model, where the actual last hole is right here, I actually already have a pre-existing hole that does not line up very well. So therefore, on the driver's side, I picked a different spot. Right here. I also have an automatic center punch to make things a little bit easier. You just go a little bit above. You hit it real quick. Creates a little dent. That way the screw does not move. And I keep losing the screw. Okay. Fine. That's good. And start the last screw. There we go. Got all the screws in. Now, take these collars right here. Go ahead and back these back off. And we put these on. Freshen it up. Make it nice and neat. Come on now. Don't mind the sweat. It's very hot out here today. And there we have it. All the screws are in. Now, time to install the door handle. It's a nice little felt fabric right here. Rather than going for the billet aluminum, went ahead and went for the strap. I like that a little bit better. Feel like it looks a little better. Also comes with these thick washers here. That way it covers the holes right here so you don't actually see behind the door. So you're going to take the washer, you're going to take the handle, you're going to take this other washer here, and we'll put the screw right behind it, through it just like that. Then you're going to take a drill. Sorry about that, guys. I ended up finishing up the installation, and when I went back to check the camera itself, it turns out that my phone camera overheated. Told you guys it was real hot out here. So where we left off, we just screwed this one in, and then we did the same thing on this side. You can do it different ways. I personally like it this way rather than the whole loop way. You can actually loop this side over here to where it's just a little pull handle. You can do it that way, but I personally like an actual handle. So yeah, I mean that's the install. As you can see, it's very easy, straightforward. I have seen some other reviews from like the different other models, like the AE86, where it actually comes with instructions and a little like an insert right there. I guess FCs just don't have that. No big deal. It's not gonna be a show car or anything like that, so it'll work. But yeah, as you can see, the difference between the old and the new. I definitely like the new way better. I feel like it's more sleek. Yeah, I like it a lot. So that'll wrap up today's video. Stay tuned. My coilovers should be coming in on Tuesday. At least that's what UPS says. UPS also said it was supposed to be here on Friday, and that didn't happen. Probably because of Friday the 13th. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned. Have a good day.